Here we have our gorgeous model Jessica / girlfriend. She's never driven it, don't worry, but she's going to be privileged enough to fire the beast. You only get a little slight rattle when it's cold, or if you haven't started it in a couple days. Otherwise there's no rattle whatsoever. Alright. No extra noises here. Alright, give it a little gas, honey. That's nice and good. One more time. Beautiful. And that's why I don't want to sell it. No blown engine whatsoever. Just kidding. Alright. And that's about it.